Hello everyone, this is BJ's Customs coming at you with another video. This time is the truck challenge from Hot Wheels Hunter Akron. And these are what I have. This isn't all my trucks, but this is a start here. So as you can see, we got quite a bit of stuff here. I'm sure all of you have seen majority of these. And then my sealed ones back there. Treasure Hunts, Red Edition. But yeah, anyway, I just kind of wanted to touch on a few of them. I probably won't go over all of them, but one of my favorites here is this one. It's a Red Line edition from a couple years back. I just love this green. That one's a cool one that I got in my collection. This one is a Lowrider, 2004, I believe is when this one was. I think it's supposed to be a Chevy or something. That one's pretty sweet. Let's see, you all have seen this guy, the shell one. I got that the other day. And that's new this year. This one's pretty sweet. I forget which casting this is, but it was like from last year sometime. And then I got this one, which is kind of an old army truck from a train set type thing. I believe it's HO scale, if I'm not mistaken. But there's that, and then we got the Fords back here, the fire truck, that white Ford F-150, and the Raptor, and then the Chevy with the camo there. And then this guy is just kind of a random Metal Machines one, which I thought was pretty cool. Same with this Army guy, he's a Metal Machines. It's pretty sweet, and I'm sure you guys have seen these guys here. Sriracha truck's my favorite. A little trucka in blue. Yeah, that factory sealed one's pretty sweet. I got that from Nas, which is pretty cool. And then the Nissan is pretty sweet there too. But yeah, some of these I actually had on video before, but I just wanted to kind of go through them and show a few off. But this one's pretty sweet. This is from 2015. And that's the car that goes with it. I know it's not a truck, but pretty darn sweet. Well, that is my answer to the challenge. Hope you guys like it, and I'll end looking at these guys. You got the Hot Wheels one from Rio Asada, and then the Subaru one. Those are pretty sweet. I could have done those in the small challenge probably too, but anyway, catch y'all later.